What's going on, guys? As you can tell, I got some carbon fiber hoods and they look really good. They look really freaking good. Like, I'm looking at them right now and they look nasty. Like, it looks crazy. It looks. So here's a bunch. I got 3 more right there, so that's 4. This is the first one I opened, and as you can tell, it looks really good. The finish looks really good. The grills look really good. Overall, like, the build quality looks really good, and it's pretty light considering. The bottom side, you got the rain guards, which is nice. You got venting, all that. The grills, like the mesh, you got all this stuff. I even when I ordered it, I asked for extra mesh that every hood came with to go up in here, because I did notice that they didn't include it, and they were saying, oh, like, you can't put it up there, but I'm sure if you take a small enough piece, you could fit it in there, and then you'll get that nice look. You know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, you really do get what you pay for, and you know, I understand it's a replica, and I just can't afford a real hood. I can't afford a $3,000 hood. It's just, you know, and it's like a 6+ build time, so I just can't afford it. But I think for what it costs and how it looks, I think it's really worth it. And to be honest, I have to finish getting all of this put away back there, somewhere over there, and I need to clean this up, and by the time I'm done that, it's going to be nighttime, and there's no way I'm going to be putting this hood on in the dark unless somehow I get help. So I'm going to quickly start throwing this all together and pack it up, and then yeah, well, probably tomorrow I'll throw the hood on. Yeah, I just finished moving these suckers. I have to say, honestly, these things are really light. Like, I understand it's primarily fiberglass, like underneath it's all fiberglass, and the top layer is real carbon fiber, I guess laminated or skinned. But this is a common thing that a lot of, I guess, carbon fiber part manufacturers do. They're never really 100% true carbon fiber like a lot of people think. And even as is, I feel like you are going to be getting a weight reduction compared to, I believe those hoods are aluminum. So I believe you are going to get some sort of a weight reduction. I will double check, actually. I'll throw this on a scale and see. The finish looks good. The gloss looks good. Still think it's a win. Probably going to throw this on tomorrow. I am 100% going to need someone's help. I don't think I can do this by myself. I was hoping I was going to get this when my girlfriend was here, so I had some sort of help, because it's not the heaviest thing in the world, but it has a little bit of weight. And after holding it for a while, you would get tired, but it does look really good. All right, it's the next day. I brought some muscle along. If you're OG to the channel, which I'm sure not many are, fucking, like, what, 60 subscribers maybe? Maybe 60 subscribers? Like, who knows? I think it's 60. Maybe 59, but next to nothing. But he's going to come help me out. Well, he's already here, so. I'm here. What's up?
We're ready.
This is the final look of the car before we throw the hood on. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna kind of miss this hood. I'm honestly not gonna lie. It's a nice hood. The color's really nice, like, you know, but I don't think I'm gonna sell it. I think I'm gonna hold on to it just for a bit, until I have to get rid of it for whatever reason. Yeah, it'll fit your Mazda, boy. So we're gonna start getting this thing ready to remove. I also want to check the weight on the metal hood and the carbon hood, see the weight difference. Let's get to it. See how fat I am. Weight 210. Wow.
Oh, okay.
It's not even worth. Swap over these like little nipples right here. You got that? Swap these over. Where I'm not gonna worry quite yet about this rubber piece and these pieces, like this giant thing right now. We do have to swap over this hook right here. That's for the release. That's what grabs the hood. I forget what it's called. The hood clip, hood something. For the hood latch. Yeah. We gotta swap this one over. And it should just go right on. Take off these little pieces of wood. I'll probably throw them on this hood so I just don't damage it. You're good.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Wow, the car looks sick.
Yeah. Can you drive without a hood?
I think so.
You know?
Yeah, I think you can.
No problem. Nice. Locked and loaded.
Nice. Should I use the new hardware or the OEM hardware? Can you even see this, or is it like really? You can get up close.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you can,
no.
You can see me squeezing it on.
Yeah.
Like, how's this? That's a lot. Are you recording even? Are you recording? Are you or now or no? You are? Okay. Okay, so something I was telling Kyle is we're ready to go. We can throw the hood back on, but another day I'm gonna come through and there's a bunch of these little like spots throughout the hood, like all these little marks. I believe this is where you would mount your like OEM hardware to mount the OEM like hood scoop rubber that Kyle likes. And this like air duct thing that I guess forces air to go to the air box. I don't know, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that another day. I just really want to test fit the hood, make sure the hood even like fits properly. I think it will. I can't see why it wouldn't. It looks like it's a really good hood. And just honestly just see how the hood looks, because it does look really good off the car, but it'll look even cooler on the car. So
Get her done.
let's get her done. It already looks sick, dude. Here's not too bad. We gotta push the hood a little this way. So I did just raise this. It did help. As you can see, fitment is really good. Like, really good. Hood looks amazing. Like, it looks so sick. It's the time of the video. I have to close it out. We've come to an end for today. My hair's crazy. Need a haircut. But I am hoping this weekend to pull the hood off again, probably. And I want to get that vent mounted, that hood scoop vent that's still on there, right there. So I do want to get that back on there because, again, we are running the top mount intercooler. And I also want to get the grill installed at the top. I'll show you guys the car instead of the messy garage. But yeah, I think all in all, like, it came out really good. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, comment. More content coming out whenever I have videos to upload. So take it easy.